what's your ultimate goal with English? What is your ultimate goal?
When I have a meeting, because we can't meet each other face to face. So I don't know why. Maybe because I think I have poor oral English. So I will get very nervous and forget a lot of presentation for the project.
I think your lack of English skills doesn't say that you are not professional. It just means that you're still learning and you want to improve yourself. I
Yeah.
think that if you are comfortable with yourself and you relax as you are talking, you don't need to speak too fast. But if you are comfortable with your presentation, other people will be comfortable. But of course, when we get too nervous and we're really worried about what we're saying, we can make a lot of mistakes.
Yeah.
But I think you're okay. This is a great way to gain more courage. This is a great platform to practice and to become a better public speaker. Many people are watching us now, and you're doing a great job. Keep going. Do you want some English advice?
Yeah, sure.
Earlier, you told me, I'm very thanks for your suggestion. This is the problem right here. We could use thankful here, but I like grateful.
I'm grateful.
I'm very grateful for
Anyway.
your suggestion. Also, obviously, we have this issue, right? So that's why I substituted and I took that word out because we have issues with these pronunciations, right? So I took that word out to avoid you saying it. That's why I didn't give you thankful here. Earlier, you said truce, the truce, but this is truth.
I have problem to pronounce this.
Everyone does, not just you. No problem, no problem. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?